In this video, I want to show you how to get free API keys to models like Gemini and all the other great models that you can use for free in your builds for any agents in N8N or wherever, because we know that actually you would have to, or actually that you would have to pay for them most of the time to use their tokens, but there's actually some official and legal ways to get API keys for these models for free. It allows you to use a bunch of tokens for free, so you don't have to pay for your N8N builds or for your agents wherever you build them extra. So as I said, they're fully legal, they're public, they're by the providers themselves who allow you to use them for free. And today I want to show you how to use them because many people still don't know this. So here we go. First, if we want to use Gemini tokens for free, then we have to go to aistudio.google.com, and in here we will hit to the dashboard option and then just say create API key. We just create that API key. You can name it whatever you want to. Select a default project or create a new project, which would mean you have to create a new project. If we want to keep this entirely simple, then we just say the default Gemini project. We create the API key. We see our keys here, and we can just copy the API key and now use this in any of our builds or whatever. This gives you 1 million tokens every single day, I think, which is extremely large amounts. So if you're some smaller to middle-sized business, I don't think you will hit that limit ever, actually. If you're bigger and more enterprise, if there's a bunch of speed and volume running through your automations and agents every single day, then you might hit that limit and it might make sense for you to upgrade, obviously. But if you're you just want to learn and try with different models. This is how I did this in the beginning as well. When I didn't want to pay for every token in my N8N builds, I just used free AIs like this to generate the stuff for me. So that is one very cool way to use Gemini for free. If we want to use any other model for image generation, for video generation, for twins, or so for digital twins, for whatever, then we can just go to build.nvidia.com, which will lead us to this page, and they have, by NVIDIA themselves, a bunch of models, and they're actually really, really good, as you know, NVIDIA is leading the AI race with their GPUs and so on, and so their models are as well really good. They have Llama here, they have Minimax here, they have Quen here, they have Step here, they have GLM here, actually DeepSeek. So there's like some of the greatest models are in here, and you can just collect any one of them. You can even search for a use case for digital twin, for example, if you want that, or code generation, whatever your use case is. And then you choose a model that you like. You just click on that model, you say view code in the top right, and you say generate API key. Then you have to sign into your NVIDIA account. And after you've created and verified your account, we will have to go through this again. So view code and then generate API key. And every time you hit generate API key, it will create a new API key here. So you see, whenever I hit generate API key, this changes. And you can just copy this code and this will be your API key for this model. And if you hit your profile icon here, and then you go to API keys, then you will be able to see all of the API keys you created, and you can just delete them one by one, because I think there's a limit on here too on how many API keys you can have. And by the way, if you want to see more of these awesome little tricks and tips to make your AI builds better and faster and whatever, and you want to see my pretty face more often, then you can just subscribe to the channel, because there will be more of my pretty face and hopefully more cool tricks and tips about AI and how to make your builds better as well. So you can do that, I would appreciate it. And besides that, that was it for this video. Those were the 2 legal and fully official tactics you can use to just use LLMs and APIs for free. There are more ways to do that, but they're a bit more shady, and so I didn't want to put that reliability on you. But those work perfectly well. You've seen there's thousands of models you can use with NVIDIA, so that's really great. Enjoy your builds, and we'll see us in this video.